everyone, welcome to the heart reading, and this is going to be for all the signs like in collection. Okay, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Follow on Instagram SSHE LLSSA Shells Running. Sending you love all the way from Bharat, India. Namaste. Let's start. Hearing as if like it's okay. It's okay. Like if this is something someone is about to send you, talk to you, will try, will send you the message, will ask you question, someone's reaction over here or answer is all it's okay. Someone is saying that, are you feeling burdened? No, it's okay. Ace of Swords energy. Something may be coming towards, or someone may be making move here. With the Chariot, possible Cancerian, listening, dealing, however. But this is also the energy format of someone who is going to initiate something. There may be truth, there may be something that someone does want to know from you. This may be the question of yes, no, this may be something. But someone will end up saying, it's okay. And it's okay. It's kind of the energy when there's this aura of neutral. Something is neutral. It's not something that is overly, like there's no overexcitement. There's nothing over to that. Okay, this is something possible, some information coming your way, some confirmation coming your way, something someone may double check with you here. Someone may send you the message here of appreciation, of breakthrough or information or truth. Someone who does want to say something and someone is replying that it's okay. This is going to be the change in the coming week when you listen to this. Kind of like the shortest time frame I can give you. Even this is going to be something that will be expressed in the upcoming month as well. If you want to like stretch it, okay? And it does depend. Maybe some of you are going to listen to this when it's been already up in the air, like on a horizon, as I say, and you are hearing it after 1 month. So that is going to be the time frame because you're being pulled towards this reading in that time frame. Okay, so let's see what is coming. So there's going to be some move. There may be King of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. I heard kind of leaving the way for whatever is not meant to, clarifying it, clearing it, basically brooming, okay? So you're using the broom. But there is some important conversation, initiation, breakthrough, truth, sudden contact, email, something that's written in more of like paragraphs, someone is giving you information. And the reply from some side is it's okay, as if like it's you who is saying it's okay, it's like neutral. Like this is something important, let me tell you. And I have to focus this on this because this is something important. Even if this is something important, the person is telling you, you're going to be, it's okay. Like you're not deeply getting involved in something, but you are on the way. Like you're okay, fine, it's okay. As if you are invited, okay. I want to talk to you, okay. Like everything is like okay. Look, Page of Pentacles. This may be some collaboration, money, or this is something important that will be brought to you. This is about something that was on possible hold, something it is connected with Page of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This may be offer that was kind of like on hold or was waiting or was not taking off kind of energy. Something that was at the stop, okay? And this Page of Pentacles is like someone who is really very comfortable, you know, very cautious about before letting this to you kind of, and you're going to be, it's okay, okay? So as if like someone saying, will you take care of this? Yeah, it's okay. The main focus is on it's okay, but this way we like here and there, like no, not much talking, not much involvement, but it's okay. So this is about email, contract, confirmation. This may be something coming, thing even, parcel or item or something that you may have ordered, or something is connected with that notification or something like that. This may be even about lovers. This may be someone from water sign, King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, listening, dealing. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. With the Lovers, Gemini, and I give you the sign of even air, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, because these are for all the signs, so you need not to worry about that. If it goes that way, okay? There is someone, if it is about someone specific, they want to offer you this important thing that they have in heart, okay? And they may end up first talking to you. The Lovers is also decision. Someone is about to kind of get rid of something in their life and then heading towards this Lover situation of union or reunion. Someone who is feeling the vibe with you. Look, Queen of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. There may be even Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, King of Wands energy here. But what I see, there's going to be same moment with the person regarding emotional situation as well in the coming time. So wait and watch. Look, wait and watch. Something is coming towards you. However, this can go as versa, but I feel like something is coming towards you, and this something is going to be conversation, breakthrough, something that is going to be important. Someone cannot wait anymore. They have to tell you this. So even if in the now it is like being something that is being covered up or suppressed, kind of like being, it's okay. Now they can't be okay, okay? Because they can't be okay if it is okay. It is okay for you, yeah, it's okay, but not for you. So, or not for the one, okay, you're dealing. Because I feel like this is what is coming. They're going to blur everything on the way. Kind of like they're not going to notice it. Or they don't care. Because they care for this proposal, this communication, this thing, this contract, this whatever that is. They have to get this information at or to your table, to your place, to your office, to your area, whatever that is, or to your heart. So that is what is coming. Again with the Lovers, this is something that is decision. They have decided, or they are done with the decision, or they can't be without you. Like they really want to tell you exactly what they feel if it is about the love matter. Knight of Swords, so something is coming. Look, they are saddened with something. They are dissatisfied. They might be feeling congested. Like they may have that thought of like, it's okay for them not talking to me, it's okay, that kind of energy. The people have been on pause, like kind of like on the wait or hold or for a while. But 5 of Cups energy over here is someone who is feeling, or basically in simple words, they might be missing you. You might be even feeling that it's over. Is it? Is it? Look, 6 of Cups, Page of Cups energy. I'm not going to take them out, but they are kind of giving me the vibe of like someone is about to give you what they want to give you. Okay, look, is it over? Don't they feel? Don't they miss me? They're going to ask you. And something being reversed here, that I don't expect anything from you, and it's like possible no or something like that. But this person over here, I feel like it is going to be the try or the retry. I don't know which place I should put this, because it is so messed up, your situation right now. I'll be back. I think that they're done, okay, announcing. We were on Page of Cups reversed. I hope they don't start again. I feel it's going to be, I don't know, it's okay, I'm not ready kind of energy. With the Page of Cups, someone will do it, or they don't know how to do it, or they are nervous or afraid of kind of like ignorance or rejection, even saying like expecting, they can't expect no, and they're going to get that. If this is the situation, okay, or maybe you turned that upside down of no expectation and you did your decision in the breakthrough. It's okay if it's not meant to. Come on, okay. Someone is looking forward, okay, like they're again on the way. I'm going to bed. Oof, oof. 2 of Wands energy. Someone is thinking about you and they don't know what just happened. Something over here is being reversed. Something, the situation is being reversed. Something that was supposed to be going very smooth is not now, okay? So with 2 of Wands energy, someone may be thinking of deciding how to visioning. There's also water sign Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. There's also King of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. But someone is worried. Someone is having concern of what happened. They are having those eyes of like, don't know what to do about the situation. Something feels off track here. Of course it feels off track. Page of Cups is reversed. Something that is not available anymore. Now how they are going to do it is the concept. Peekaboo in future. Look, peekaboo in future, and you have Four of Wands energy, and something is peeping here with the Eight of Wands energy, kind of. Look, Page of Swords energy. Don't know what to do, but they're going to end up sending it. This is someone who is seeking stability with you. Okay? Assurance possible. King of Cups energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but this is emotional connectivity that they feel for you, and they are going to end up talking to you. They want to talk, and I don't know what you are up to, because you have this energy of breakthrough. Like, I'm not going to do it. I'm done with my emotional investing. Recording time 11:11. And this person is thinking about making certain move. Possible they're thinking about making certain move and they're this, okay? Also, if this is any sign, if this is like, for example, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, they are having certain visions of future. They're preparing, planning, there may be trip coming regarding work and how it's going to go, kind of energy, but they have decided it's something big. They're also emotionally feeling a little bit down regarding some things connected with work area or someone specific. They don't know what is happening. Like talking, but don't know what is happening, kind of energy as well. People are concerned, of course, about the future, okay, and they don't want to be into that zone that they're not sure of. But they try. They try. Wheel of Fortune. Something is not in tune. Something is not right. This is about something that is not yet ready to give life to. It's being delayed, or something is not in favor. Now is not the time, kind of energy. Or someone may be feeling that our situation changed. Something changed here. There's more light here, suddenly. Someone will have more light, means more clearance, more clarity. Someone over here is also no longer investing in this. They might have thought that this is going to be our wheel of fortune, but it is reversed. Something is not in not going the way this possible person want, and that's why their thoughts are up in the air of like, what is happening? It is like something that emotionally not going the way someone wants here. It's like not right now. It is also kind of energy of the sun. Like the life giver. It's Ra. Ra. The God. Like the one who gives life. If there is no sun, there is nothing. One is incomplete without the other. That someone is feeling that my situation, my destiny is incomplete without this person who is unavailable. Okay, I'm done with your reading. Take care, guys. See you soon. Bye.